Heal yourself. Healing begins on our plate. Hello and welcome. If you're here, chances are that you're seeking clarity, balance, and growth in your life. Today, we're diving into a topic often overlooked but profoundly transformative: the connection between what we eat and how we heal. Yes, healing begins on our plate, and that's exactly what this video is all about. In the next few moments, we'll explore how food isn't just fuel, it's medicine. By the end, you'll walk away with not only a deeper understanding of nutrition's impact on your body, mind, and soul, but also practical steps to start using food as a powerful ally in your healing journey. Let's take a mindful moment together as we embark on this journey. Sit back, breathe deeply, and let's unlock the healing potential within you. Our bodies are extraordinary. They are self-healing, ever-adapting systems designed to thrive when nourished properly. But here's the key: what we feed our bodies plays a monumental role in this natural healing process. Think of food not just as calories or indulgence, but as information. Information that fuels your cells, rebuilds your tissues, and regulates your hormones. Whether you're looking to boost immunity, improve energy, or foster emotional balance, food has the power to support or hinder your progress. But here's the challenge. Modern lifestyles often lead us to quick, convenient diets made of processed, nutrient-depleted foods. These choices create inflammation, stress the body, and derail our healing potential. On the other hand, a mindful, nutrient-rich diet enables our bodies to repair, renew, and thrive. Understanding this dynamic between what's on your plate and how your body feels is the first step. So, now that we know food is more than just fuel, let's dive into how it connects to our overall well-being. Did you know your diet affects every aspect of your health, physical, emotional, and mental? Let's break this down piece by piece. Physically, the food you eat determines the health of your cells. Whole, nutrient-rich foods like fresh vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and lean proteins provide the building blocks your body needs to heal and protect itself. Such foods can reduce inflammation, alleviate chronic pain, and enhance immunity. For example, antioxidants found in blueberries or vitamin C-rich citrus fruits act as natural defense agents for your body. Nutritional choices also significantly impact emotions. Ever notice how you feel sluggish or irritable after eating a heavy processed meal? That's because certain refined foods like sugar and trans fats destabilize blood sugar and hormones, leading to mood swings or fatigue. In contrast, foods rich in omega-3s, like walnuts or salmon, support serotonin levels, the happiness hormone, making you feel calmer and more emotionally grounded. Food also influences your mental clarity and cognitive performance. Diets rich in whole foods and healthy fats, such as avocados or nuts, have been shown to support better memory, focus, and clearer thinking. A lighter, mindful diet also reduces brain fog that often comes with processed foods. By understanding these connections, we recognize that food is so much more than just taste or tradition. It's the key to thriving holistically. Now, let's talk about what holds us back. One of the biggest culprits is the modern diet. Quick meals, processed snacks, and sugary drinks make life convenient, but at a heavy cost to our health. It's normal to feel tempted by fast, affordable food loaded with additives, but the drawback is significant. These processed products disrupt our natural balance, triggering inflammation, unbalanced energy levels, and long-term wear on our bodies. Over time, they can even cloud mental clarity and emotional resilience, creating an endless cycle of fatigue and dissatisfaction. But don't feel discouraged. Awareness is the first step to change. When we realize how modern dietary habits don't serve us, we can start making informed, nourishing decisions that align with our needs. It's not about deprivation, it's about reclaiming what your body truly deserves. Healing through nutrition isn't complicated, and it doesn't require drastic life changes. Instead, it's about small, intentional decisions that foster long-term growth. Shift your mindset from simply eating to truly nourishing. Consider every meal an opportunity to rejuvenate your body. Choose rich, whole foods like colorful vegetables, antioxidant-packed fruits, hearty whole grains, and lean proteins. These foods are fuel for growth and repair. A simple way to ensure nutrient diversity is by creating colorful plates. Think reds from tomatoes, greens from spinach, yellows from peppers, and purples from berries. Each color represents a different set of nutrients vital for your health. Foods like turmeric, ginger, leafy greens, and olive oil are powerful inflammation fighters. By incorporating these into your diet, you support your body's ability to heal aches, injuries, and chronic conditions naturally. Certain foods can calm the body and mind. Comforting herbal teas, such as chamomile or green tea, magnesium-rich dark chocolate, and omega-rich nuts and seeds can soothe your nerves and lower stress levels. Eliminating or reducing sugary snacks and processed products doesn't mean giving up joy. Replace cookies with fresh fruits or chips with unsalted nuts when cravings strike. Find fulfillment in real, nourishing options. Slow down. Take a moment to connect with your meal. Turn off distractions, focus on the texture, savor the taste, and be present. Gratitude for your food not only enhances digestion, but creates a positive association with nourishment. Food affects not just our body, but also our relationship with ourselves. A healing diet begins with self-awareness and self-care. Certain foods influence hormones like serotonin and cortisol, which regulate emotions and stress. By choosing balance-promoting foods, think leafy greens, probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, and healthy fats, you support inner calm. When coupled with mindful habits like gratitude practices, eating turns into a wholesome self-care ritual. Rituals that infuse nourishment with reflection leave you feeling cared for by you. It's also important to create a peaceful eating space. Turn off screens, set down your fork between bites, and enjoy your food in a calm environment. These small shifts enhance the experience of mindful eating. Consistency is key when it comes to using food as medicine. It's not about doing everything perfectly, but persisting with small, incremental changes that last. Start with just one mindful change, maybe adding a colorful vegetable to one meal a day, or swapping a sugary drink for water infused with fresh fruit. Small wins help build momentum. Track your progress too. Notice how your energy improves, how your emotions stabilize, and how your mind feels clearer as you incorporate healthier options. Celebrate those victories. They're evidence that food is working for you. Healing begins not in fleeting extremes, but in day-to-day acts of intention. By making nurturing food choices consistently, you'll cultivate habits that transform your life. When we heal our relationship with food, we open the door to deeper personal growth. Taking charge of your diet is an empowering act. It's a way of reclaiming agency in your life. Imagine having the energy and clarity to pursue your goals. Picture waking up every day, feeling physically lighter, emotionally balanced, and mentally sharp. That's the kind of transformation that simple, mindful food practices encourage. In fact, many have found this journey life-changing. Whether they overcame chronic fatigue through better eating or found peace by eliminating stress-inducing foods, real success stories show that change is possible. Your story could be next. Let's recap. Healing begins on our plate. Food fuels not only our bodies, but also our emotional and mental well-being. By choosing whole, nutrient-dense options, embracing mindful eating, and making small, intentional changes, we can unlock the healing potential within us. Every bite is an opportunity to nourish yourself, to grow, and to thrive. So take that first step. Swap one unhealthy item for a healthier option, add a handful of greens to your meal, or simply take a moment of gratitude before you eat. Remember, healing is a journey. It's not about perfection, but progress. Together, let's make food a source of renewal, strength, and transformation. Because healing truly begins, one mindful bite at a time. Thank you for watching, and here's to your healing journey, on your plate and in your life.